I'm Paul Dubose with Fairfield Tractor. I'd like to first thank all of our customers through the years for their patronage. We really do appreciate it. We have a big announcement to make today. Jarvis Farm Equipment, the new owner, Adam Jarvis is here with us today. I'd like to thank Adam for being here. Thank you, sir.
Hey, thanks, Paul. We're glad to be here as Jarvis Farm Equipment. Here at Jarvis Farm Equipment, our focus is customer relationships, and we do that by providing a great product and great service before and after the sale. So when you're ready, stop in here at Jarvis Farm Equipment, an East Texas family-owned and operated dealership now at 2 locations, Lufkin and Teague, Texas.